Ever found yourself tangled in a web of Twitter followers, unable to distinguish the gems from the fluff? Managing your Twitter followers can be a bit of a daunting task, but worry not, because today we're diving into the world of the Twitter unfollow tool. Picture this, an organized, streamlined Twitter feed, tailored to your interests and free from the noise of irrelevant content. Sounds good, right? The Twitter unfollow tool can make this a reality. So how does this magical tool work? It's simple, really. First, sign in to your Twitter account. Make sure you're on the home page. From there, click on Profile and Settings, represented by the cute little icon of your profile picture in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Second, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new page. Now don't get overwhelmed by all the options. You're on the right track. Third, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list. Look for Privacy and Safety. Click on it. You're halfway there, so stick with me. Fourth, scroll down until you spot Mute and Block. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and a new page will open. Fifth, look for Imported Blocked Accounts. Click on Advanced Options, then select Export Your List. This will download a file containing all the accounts you've blocked. Finally, open the file and behold, a list of all the accounts you've blocked, ready to be unfollowed. Simply go back to your Twitter page, find each account and click Unfollow. And there you have it. A clean, curated list of Twitter followers, all thanks to the Twitter unfollow tool. No more scrolling past irrelevant posts, no more time wasted on content that doesn't interest you. So, what are you waiting for? Give the Twitter unfollow tool a try. Unclutter your Twitter feed, focus on what truly matters to you, and make your Twitter experience better than ever. It's time to take control of your Twitter account, one unfollow at a time.